I ask you, do you also throw away the whey? I assure you that you do, so don't throw it away anymore. Try to make the most of it and use it because it's something truly worthwhile. Later, I will share those uses you can give it. But first, let's talk about milk. What is milk? Milk is a fundamental liquid we use to make cheese. Generally, milk is composed of several essential elements. It contains proteins between 3% and 4%, depending on the type of cow we are using. For example, if it's a Holstein cow, it generally has 3.4%. If it's a Jersey cow, it can have 4%.